People just love Kahlua, which is why I have to make this Frozen Kahlua Mudslide. Test it out. I've gotten partway through filming before without having my blender plugged in, so not today. It is a Kahlua Mudslide. Now, I've already made a regular Kahlua Mudslide without the blender. The shaken version, that's been done before. Link in the description below. However, there's this really cool looking treat. It's a tasty treat. It's almost like an alcoholic milkshake, if you would. So, I have no issues with that. And therefore, I want to try this Kahlua drink. And, you know, people seem to really like Kahlua on the channel, so I make a lot of stuff with it. So if that interests you, click down below, hit that subscribe button. Alright, so the first thing is going to be some vodka. Just nice vodka will do. Going to be an ounce. We're going to pour this and put it right into the blender. 1 full ounce of alcohol, of vodka. Going to follow that up with none other than Kahlua. Now, obviously it wouldn't be a Kahlua Mudslide if you used other coffee liqueurs, but I suppose you could. It's also going to be an ounce of the Kahlua into the mixer. And finally, Kahlua's best friend, Bailey's Irish Cream. That is going to head into the blender as well. And once again, it's going to be an ounce of that Bailey's Irish Cream. Alrighty. Next step. Next step is to add about 1 to 2 scoops of ice. I like to start with 1, maybe 1.5, depending on the size of your ice scoop, and go from there. Okay. I feel like that's enough ice. And, ice cream. Yes, lovely homemade vanilla ice cream. I like Turkey Hill. You can use whatever you want. And if you wanted to use other flavors, you know, and experiment with that, be my guest. I have no problem with that either. Just give me a few scoops of vanilla ice cream going in there. Probably about 3. If you find that it's a little too thick, you can always add some either milk, you can add some more Baileys or something to it, and bump up the booze. It's up to you. Okay, here we are. Gonna put the cap on the blender. Just blend it till it's nicely crushed up. The ice is all crunched in and it's mixed together well. Alright, seems like a good consistency. It should pour, but not be, you know, like a cocktail type consistency. So it should just pour nice. I'm not typically one to use Hershey syrup in drinks, but this one's good. You just want to take a kind of a hurricane type glass. Doesn't have to be anything crazy, you know. Just squeeze a little bit on the inside. I'm not really amazing with patterns, as you can see. Just want to get a nice coating. Yeah. Crazy and messy, just like me. No fanciness. And this is just going to get poured right in. Hopefully I don't... I made pea soup one time and the bottom fell off my blender. Yikes. Not good. Not good at all when that happens. So just going to pour this in. There should be enough to fill the entire glass up, I hope. Right at that point. Oh, nice. I've done worse. Done worse. Yes. That, my friends, is why I use a bar mat. It's also why I'm not a bartender. Get this out of here. Right. Just gonna stick a straw down in there. That, my friends, is a Frozen Kahlua Mudslide. It's pretty good. Even the stuff that went all over the mat. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Looks good, man. You know, I'm not a cocktail snob. I'm not one of those guys that's going to be, this is a sweet drink. It must be terrible. No, it's probably freaking awesome. We're going to find out. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's good stuff. Oh, yeah. It's a real good consistency, too. A little bit too much ice cream, but really, can you have too much ice cream? Ooh, brain freeze. Oh. Well, this is a Kahlua Mudslide, a frozen Kahlua Mudslide, I should say. This is delicious, and while I drink this, I'm going to invite you to check out the channel. Subscribe down below if you're interested in even more. If you stick around till the end card shows up, there's going to be a link where you can see some more Kahlua cocktails. Till next time, I want to thank you for watching this one, and remember that if this idiot can do it, so can you. Cheers.